Well, what's he talking about? Pretty clear, yeah? You've got smells, bells, well, you don't have bells, but you got smells, lights, candles, scripture teachings, clergy, Eucharist. It's the liturgy, yes? And I submit that the primary sense for him of hierarchy is liturgy, organized, structured worship. The worship which, moreover, is revealed. It's not just something they cooked up. It's revealed, first of all, in Exodus. He refers to that in Ecclesiastical Hierarchy 5, 1 and 2. I katanomon hierarchia, literally the hierarchy according to the law. But that's, what's in Moses. That's Exodus 25 following, and the revelation of the tabernacle, the pattern and its orders for its construction, as well as the vestments of the high priest and other clergy. And he said, that's the shadow. And now we have the icon, borrowing from Hebrews, distinction between shadow and image. Now we have the icon, and moreover, it's an akrivis icon, the exact image. Note that the apophatic approach touches everything in Dionysius except the liturgy. It's never applied there.